Okay, so I'm doing a little I guess, what was this called? I'm doing a little first impression right here with my friend Stephanie. Sorry, it's really sun in our face. Maybe we should do this way so sun won't be on our face too much, but it's in the shadow. So we're doing a little first impression right here. We just finished doing a photo shoot and it was a fun one.
It was fun.
Yeah, it was great. So anyway, just want to show her the car and get her reaction. All right, here we go.
Ooh,
Let's see.
this is super nice. So how do you even open the door?
You press with your thumb, and then you pull.
Oh my gosh.
So actually, let me take you to the driver's side. You can go to the driver's side.
Okay, go to the driver's side. Yeah, I'm gonna be in the driver's seat. So,
Thumb. There you go.
wow.
Move on in. Let me get it on the other side.
This is so nice. It's so clean.
I know, it has that fresh car smell too.
Oh my gosh. Love this.
Make sure we still have the AC on right here. Let me switch it to make sure it's high.
It's super clean. I mean, I'm not used to like there not being so many buttons, so it's like a.
Now look above you.
Oh whoa!
Look all around you.
Wow. Yeah, it's like a mirror almost, but I mean, obviously I can see through in the sky. It's super cool.
Some of the fun things are here. You go here, you go to toy box. Oh, this is fun right here.
Oh, I've heard about this.
And then what kind of part do you want? Oops, sorry. You did that?
Totally did that, yeah. Oh my god. It's called neurosting.
The other cool things we have is this right here, the boombox. What does that mean? If you have the horn, if you go to the DJ horn right here.
Oh my god. It's like a DJ.
Do it again right here. But you know, that's outside.
So you can like, you're like the boombox. Like you're
Yeah.
just you're driving down and like, you know.
No.
That's right.
The funny thing is this also right here. We have a thing called the driving sound, and then you can play the current media, like some music that you're playing, or you can do like
Ice cream?
Yeah.
That's just mean. You can be like that person that's so mean that drives down and like, you know, all the poor kids are like, ice cream! You're like, nah, it's a Tesla.
Yeah, these things I downloaded.
Oh, Star Wars?
But look, you know the Night Riders?
Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
I know, it kind of gives you the mood. But then you have...
Oh,
this
sound
one.
system is bomb!
This one here.
Yes. I'm blasting off.
Oh yeah.
Oh, so people can play while you're driving.
Yeah, here, I'll let you. And how you play? You actually use the steering wheel. Okay, then you pick your player. Oh, you got the hula girl.
Yeah, represent. Let's go here.
Ready to show your skills?
All right, let's do this.
Game on! Yeah, game on!
Woo! Oh, this is so fun. I'm totally crashing everywhere. Holy shit. Wow, okay.
Okay. Okay. No.
I got it now. I think
Don't you have a driver's license? What's going on here?
Yeah, it's so sensitive.
That's what she said.
Ah! Okay, well, when you guys try this out, please don't be as bad as me, especially like on the road. Oh my god. Good thing I ran into something. This is harder than Mario Kart.
You doing okay?
I'm doing okay.
Yeah, gotta make your moves, girl.
All right, okay. I'm getting it. This is harder than it looks.
Yeah,
totally
do it.
oversteering. Way harder than it looks. No, I'm getting better. Okay.
But the cool thing is, that car is this car.
Oh, okay. Totally made that distinction. I'm just gonna do like a shortcut. Just gonna go
Drive
through
to the sea.
Go through the sea. Run over a couple birds. You know, the typical. Oh, I died.
Oh, no. Yeah, slide on in, girl.
All right.
Kind of showcasing how much room we have back here.
Oh yeah.
What do you think? Spacey, huh?
Super
Roomy?
spacey.
The big panoramic sunroof up there.
It's
Yeah,
super
heat
nice.
rejection.
This is pretty spacey.
See? That's what people say. They're kind of afraid that there's not enough space, but there's a lot of space.
space.
A lot of space.
I mean, I take up a good amount of space.
Whatever. Come on out.
Still sliding out.
All right. So what do you think?
Wow. It's like a spaceship.
It is. It's fun.
It's super cool.
Next time we have to go
clean.
do a test drive and show the acceleration.
Ooh, yeah. I don't know if you want me driving this.
I don't know.
Andy.
Yeah,
I
I know.
don't
After
know.
seeing how
Ah! The typical. Oh, I died.
reckless you
Yeah,
were.
that's true. That's a good point. I'll try and do my best. So far, I think this is pretty fly.
That was my friend right here, Stephanie. She's great. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching.
Thanks.
I forgot to mention that whenever we did the photo shoot, the car actually can hold quite a bit of stuff. So a lot of my equipment can fit. Got the big bag here that holds much of my photo equipment. I got the small one right here that holds this camera, and then my cart with a bunch of the ring light, and then a couple of the what do you call it? The light stands here, tripods, light diffuser, umbrella over here on the sides. It's pretty cool. I have a small tripod here, and on this side are here some of the adapter clamps for the light stands that holds my strobe lights. Everything fits in here really well. And that was a good photo shoot. Hey, if you're in the market for a Tesla or any Tesla products, there's a referral code in the description link below. More videos come soon.